Hello everyone, my name is Vendarchus and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, let's dive into today's code, which will be a random number generator and it's a game. Do you all remember the game which we used to play when we were kids? Like one guy used to randomly pick out a number and the other guy used to guess it. Like when guessed, they would go too low or too high. Do you all remember that game? It's about that game. I wrote a code about it. Let me show you how it, let me explain you how it works. But before that, let's see how this code runs. So here it is asking the minimum value, which let's pick a random number 60, maximum value 120. So now let's try this in it. Let the rest be 70. Nah, too low. Another 80, too low. 90, too low. So 100 is too high, so the given number is between 90 to 100. 95. Wow, that was a lucky this dice. So here I just did in 5 items. So let's see how the code actually works. This is the standard. First, we include the standard stdio.h, which is the standard input-output header file. Then standard library header file and time header file. I'll explain this in the code that comes. What is the structure? Like when we dive into the structure, what we use? Global variables are not necessary here. So let's dive directly into the main block. We uh, First we need a minimum integer and a maximum integer, this random number and number of attempts to see which attempt you have given. Then strand time null. This is a function that would reset the time, and instead of generating the same number again and again, it uh, randomizes it. Like here we use I'll explain it further as we go further. Then first we are asking the user to input the maximum minimum number and the maximum number. Now generally the minimum will be greater than maximum, but you and I know we are not that straight, and we are going to of course do something like uh, giving the minimum value more than maximum. So for that we are using the if block, and here if first suppose I give minimum value of 60 and maximum value of 40. Let's see what happens. Let's see in the last printf the range will be shown as in invalid range, and return one gives exits the program completely. And next random numbers, the strand time null which we used in the starting, this is for generating the rand. This rand generates a random number, but when the strand time null is not used, this rand just generates the same number again and again and again. So rand modulus gives us the remainder of the function. So suppose it generated a random number of 100, and my maximum is 10 and minimum is 5. 10 minus 5, how much is it? It will be like 5 plus 1 6, and minimum was 5, so it will generate a random number, so that the given number ranges from 0 to a particular level. We will use minimum minus maximum, maximum minus minimum plus 1, and in final plus minimum we use so that the given range is will not so that the given range is satisfied. And now printf, let's try this in it. This is the this loop. We are using a do while loop because we need first the number needs to be entered and the given cycle needs to be run at least one time. So we are using do while loop here. Now enter your this, it will check the this and your attempts increases. Now here we are using if, else if and else the set. If the given this like the random number that has come out is to be 10 and I just 20, it's too high is given. Or if the given number is 20 and I just did 10, too high, too low. And if it is same, it's in correct. So, and when do we repeat this loop? When the given this is different from the random number, then only we will use this loop again. So do while is for that and return 0. This is the whole code. Let's see again what happens when we run it. And as I told, I will show you what happens if like I did tell you what happens if I type more maximum number is more than minimum number, but just let's see for invalid range and the program has been stopped. So there are no errors. F10, enter the minimum number. Let's enter 10 this time. And maximum, why not 56? Why not? Let's this 30, too low, 40, 45. That was a Latidas dice. Now this is the code I have written. I hope you like it and comment how many the items did you use before you thought the right answer. My minimum is 2. And thank you. Thank you guys.